Hello everyone, this is Carlos, Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service, and I am here in Wakefield, Rhode Island. April 7th, 2018, and this was a little difficult task, painting white ceilings, semi-gloss crown moldings, semi-gloss trims, baseboards, heating boards. It was a challenge, but it was done. I installed new sheetrock on the ceiling here. Someone else did that area, and all I did was fix the ceiling, tape and mud. As you can see, all the doors are nice and painted. Walls are black, pearl finish from Benjamin Moore. Crown moldings were installed by someone else. All I did was paint them. Risers are painted, primed with oil base. And again, I want to thank you for watching my videos and my photos. You can subscribe or hit like on my page. You can leave any comments if you wish. I want to thank the owner, Ryan and Melissa and his children, for allowing me in this beautiful, gorgeous house. Again, thank you for watching. Until the next one.